So welcome students. In this question you are given that you have selected a number from 1 to 100. So you are asked to find the probability that the sum of digits is a prime number. The sum of the digits of the number selected is a prime number. So in the probability you have a numerator and a denominator. So denominator is obviously 100 because there are a total of 100 numbers. So out of these 100 numbers you have to find the number of those numbers whose sum of digits is a prime number. So first let us consider one digit numbers. So in one digit numbers you have 2, 3, 5 and 7. So if you select these numbers, the sum of the numbers is same as these numbers, so they are prime. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are single digit numbers. And if you go for two digit numbers, so if you go for two digit numbers, the sums of because each digit can go from 0 to 9 and this digit also can go from 0 to 9. So the sum of these two digits, starts with 1 and it can go up to a maximum of 80. The sum of the digits can start with 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, so on, up to 18. So out of 1 to 18, what are the possible numbers which are prime? So you can have the sum as 2, the sum as 3, the sum as 5, the sum as 7, the sum as 11, 13, 17 or 19. 19 is not possible. So these are the possible sums. So for each sum, let us try to calculate the number of numbers. So if the sum has to be equal to 2, the possible two digit numbers are 1, 1 or 2, 0. These are the two possible numbers, 1, 1 or 2, 0. So the first number, the tens digit cannot be equal to 0 because we are considering two digit numbers. So if the sum has to be 3, so how many options do you have? If the tens digit is 1, you should have 2. If the tens digit is 2, you have 1. If the tens digit is 3, you have to have 0. So 1, 2, 2, 1 and 3, 0. These are the numbers where the sum of digits is 3. So if the sum of the digits have to be 5, so how many options are there? If the first digit is 1, so the next digit have to be 4. If the first digit is 2, the next digit have to be 3. The first digit is 3, the next digit have to be 2. If the first digit is 4, the next digit have to be equal to 1. If the first digit is 5, the next digit has to be equal to 0. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Similarly for 7, so the first digit can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 options. So if the sum of digits have to be equal to 11, you don't have 11 options. Now you have to be careful here. So if the sum has to be 11, the first digit cannot be 1 because if the first digit is 1, no, the sum cannot be equal to 11. The first digit can be 2. If the first digit is 2, the last digit will be 9. And so on. It goes till the first digit can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 9. If the first digit is 9, the next digit can be 2. So the first digit goes from 2 to 9. That is, you have 8 options. 8 options, 2 to 9. So for 13, the first digit has to start with 4. So if the first digit till 3, you won't have any numbers. So 4 to 49 to 94. That is 4 to 9. So how many options do you have? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 6 options. For 17, the first digit has to be at least, the second digit is 9, the first digit has to be at least 8. So 89 and 98, you have only 2 options. So in one digit numbers you have 4 options, in two digit numbers you have 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2 options. And if you select a 3 digit number, there is only one number which is 100. The sum of the digits is not a prime number. So the answer is, the numerator is 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2. So we have 10 here, 20, 30 and 7. So, you have 37 out of 100. So, option C will be the right answer to this question. Thank you.